Hello, everyone. This is the part two of the global supply chain video. We will explore the global sourcing strategies of Tesla, one of the most innovative and influential companies in the global automotive and electric vehicle industry. Tesla is an American multinational company headquartered in the United States, but its operation is span across the globe through gigafactories in the US, China, Germany, and other regions. And to manage such a massive and complex supply chain, Tesla relies on strategic global sourcing decisions. In this lesson, we will focus on four key global sourcing strategies used by Tesla. The first is the low-cost sourcing. Second, the nearshoring. Third, local sourcing. And lastly, multiple sourcing. For learning outcomes, we will explain the following: what strategy means, its key features, how Tesla applies it in practice, and why it is important for Tesla's global competitiveness. And by the end of this lesson, you will have a clear understanding of how sourcing strategies help Tesla reduce costs, manage risk, improve efficiency, and respond quickly to market demand. Okay, let's begin discussing about the first strategy. Part 1 is the low-cost sourcing. Low-cost sourcing refers to the strategy of procuring raw materials, components, or services from countries where production and labor costs are lower compared to other countries. This strategy is commonly used by global manufacturers to reduce production costs and thereby improve profit margins. There are four key features of Tesla's low-cost sourcing strategy as follows. First, the sourcing from cost-competitive countries. Second, economies of scale. Third, focus on cost-efficient battery supply. And the last one, the cost leadership advantage. So let's discuss sourcing from cost competitive countries as part of the low cost sourcing strategy. Tesla sources many materials, no, such as battery raw materials, which is lithium, nickel, or cobalt, electronic components, wiring systems, and sub assemblies. These are often sourced from developing or resource rich countries, countries with lower labor and manufacturing costs located in parts of Asia, Latin America, and Africa. Economies of scale. Because Tesla produces vehicles at a massive scale, it negotiates bulk purchasing contracts with suppliers. This allows Tesla to achieve lower unit prices, lock in their long term supply agreements, and reduce cost volatility. Tesla leverage volume based negotiation, strategic supplier relationships, and long term contracts with flexible pricing mechanism. The cost leadership advantage. Low-cost sourcing directly supports making electric vehicles more affordable and competing with traditional gasoline cars. By reducing the costs associated with raw materials, components, and manufacturing processes, Tesla can lower the final price of each vehicle, making them accessible to a wider market. And this strategy is crucial for achieving cost parity with internal combustion engine vehicles, which is a key factor in accelerating the transition to sustainable energy and market mass adoption of electric vehicles. Again, maintaining healthy profit margins despite the price cuts. This is especially important as Tesla enters mass market segments, not just the luxury vehicles. Focus on cost efficient battery supply. Tesla is aggressively reducing battery costs by using lithium iron phosphate chemistry in its standard range of vehicles and developing nickel based cobalt free cathodes for its performance models. The company is also integrating advanced manufacturing techniques and new material sourcing strategies. Why local sourcing matters to Tesla, you may ask. The strategic initiatives that help Tesla lower prices, improve global competitiveness, support expansion into price sensitive markets, and increase profit margins are a combination of vertical integration, innovative manufacturing processes like gigacasting, and enhanced battery technology. However, relying solely on local sourcing can create risks, which leads us to the next strategy. The second major strategy is the multiple sourcing. Multiple sourcing means purchasing the same material or component from more than one supplier instead of relying on a single source. Tesla uses this strategy to reduce supply chain risks. This multiple sourcing strategy has four key features such as risk reduction. Second, supply chain resilience. Third, supplier competition. And lastly, geographic diversification. The risk reduction. Tesla employs a strategy of diversifying its supplier base for critical components rather than relying on a single source to mitigate supply chain risks and meet production demands. This approach applies to several key areas, including one on the battery cells. Tesla partners with multiple manufacturers such as Panasonic, CATL, and LG Chem to secure adequate supply and drive innovation in battery technology. Second, semiconductors. Recognizing the vulnerability of a concentrated supply chain, particularly highlighted during global chip shortages. Tesla works with various semiconductor companies and has also focused on designing its own chips in house. Third, on the electronic side, the company likely applies the same diversification principle to the myriad of electronic components necessary for its vehicle's advanced systems and displays. When it comes to metals, sourcing raw materials like lithium and cobalt from different suppliers and regions will help Tesla ensure the stability of its metal supply chains and manage associated geopolitical and environmental risks. By avoiding dependence on a sole supplier for these essential components, Tesla enhances its operational resilience, negotiates better terms, and maintains flexibility and its manufacturing processes. Tesla's supply chain strategy includes diversification, which allows the company to ship production to alternative suppliers in the event of disruptions such as factory shutdowns, political instability, or trade restrictions. This approach is designed to mitigate risks associated with a single point of failure in the supply network. For example, Tesla proactively works to localize its supply chains around its various gigafactories, such as those in the United States, China, and Germany, making the company less vulnerable to international shipping disruptions and geopolitical issues. Supply chain resilience. Tesla's use of multiple sourcing or dual sourcing strategy combined with a direct technical company approach to supply chain management. It allowed to continue production relatively smoothly during global disruptions like the COVID 19 pandemic, the semiconductor shortages, and trade conflicts, while many competitors struggled to address these issues. Supplier competition. Having multiple suppliers encourages several benefits. Among them, competitive pricing. Multiple sources of supply naturally foster competition, which typically drives prices down as suppliers buy for their business. Second, it results to better quality. To stand out from the competition, suppliers are motivated to improve the quality of their products and services. Third, faster innovation. The competitive environment encourages suppliers to invest in research and developments to create new, improved offerings or more efficient processes. And suppliers know they must perform well to retain business. The risk of being replaced by another supplier serves as a strong incentive for each to meet or exceed performance expectations. Geographic diversification. Tesla's global sourcing strategy covers Asia, Europe, and the North America. And Tesla has a significant presence in Asia, particularly in China and South Korea. Its gigafactory in Shanghai has a high localization rate, sourcing cover 90% of its parts from local Chinese suppliers, and key Asian suppliers provide battery components like lithium, cobalt, and nickel, and other parts of the vehicle. In Europe, Tesla's Gigafactory Berlin base is the first European factory and serves as a production hub for the local market. It has suppliers across Europe, including Germany, Portugal, and Switzerland. And Tesla is heavily invested in the North American sourcing for its U.S. factories, which are in California, Nevada, and Texas. Its vehicles, particularly the Model Y and Model 3, are considered among the most American made cars, and North American suppliers from the United States, Canada, and Mexico are the key parts of its supply chain. Why multiple sourcing is critical for Tesla? These are the key benefits of effective multiple sourcing. One, It prevents production stoppages. By diversifying suppliers and maintaining safety stock, companies can mitigate the impact of disruptions from a single source, ensuring continuity of production. Second, it improves negotiation power. Strong supplier relationships, often formalized through long term contracts and clear performance metrics, can lead to better pricing and terms. Third, it ensures consistent quality and supply. Implementing quality control standards and clear communication channels helps guarantee that materials and components meet required specifications consistently. And lastly, it enhances operational flexibility. A resilient supply chain can adapt quickly to changes in demand, market shifts, or unforeseen events, minimizing downtime and optimizing resource allocation. Now, let's go to the third major strategy, and that is near shoring. Nearshoring refers to sourcing materials or components from countries geographically close to the manufacturing facility rather than far off locations. It has four key features as follows. 1. The reduced transportation time. Second, lower transportation and logistics costs. Third, faster response to market demand, and the fourth one, reduce carbon footprint. So let's now discuss the first key feature of nearshoring, the reduced transportation time. Tesla employs a nearshoring strategy, strategically locating suppliers close to its gigafactories in North America like Fremont, Austin, Berlin, Shanghai, and now Mexico, and in Europe, the Berlin in Germany, to reduce lead times, better production scheduling, and fewer shipping delays by localizing its production, reducing reliance on distant sources, and leveraging local ecosystems for components like batteries and semiconductors. This localization, coupled with their direct sales model and focus on vertical integration, enhances agility, it cuts costs, and allows for quicker responses to market demands and logistical challenges. Though supply chain vulnerabilities still emerge as seen with chip shortages. Lower transportation and logistics costs. Nearshoring effectively minimizes ocean freight costs, the fuel expenses, and port congestion risks by shortening supply chains, which is especially important for heavy and bulky automotive components. And this practice reduces the distance goods travel, leading to lower transportation costs and a decrease in potential disruptions often associated with long haul shipping. Faster response to market demand. Nearshoring benefits Tesla by improving the manufacturing agility, allowing the company to adjust production rapidly, and they respond effectively to design changes and introduce new models faster. This increased flexibility is critical for maintaining a competitive edge in this fast evolving electric vehicle market by reducing reliance on distant supply chains. Reduce carbon footprint. Shorter transport distances contribute to lower emissions and better sustainability performance, directly supporting Tesla's mission of promoting environmental sustainability. Tesla's mission is to accelerate the world's transition to sustainable energy by minimizing logistics and transportation distances in their operations and supply chain. Tesla can reduce fuel consumption and associated greenhouse gas emissions. This efficiently not only cuts costs but also reinforces their public commitment to environmental responsibility. Why nearshoring benefits Tesla? Nearshoring improves supply chain speed. It reduces logistics risks and supports sustainability goals. By bridging the gap between the cost, efficiency, and operational control, this strategy also enhances coordination with suppliers. Now, we've come to the last major strategy, which is equally important: the local sourcing. Local sourcing means purchasing materials and components from suppliers located within the same country or located within the region as the manufacturing plant. It has four key features as follows. First is the support for regional manufacturing. Second, it fosters faster communication and coordination. Third, compliance with trade and regulatory policies. And last one, the customization for localized markets. Let's tackle the first feature of the local sourcing, which is the support for regional manufacturing. Tesla's strategic focus on increasing local sourcing demand around its gigafactories in the United States, China, and Germany helps the company build strong supplier ecosystems and strengthen regional economies. This approach is part of Tesla's broader strategy to create more efficient and resilient supply chains. By sourcing components and materials closer to its production facilities, Tesla aims to reduce logistics costs and complexity, which is a significant factor in automotive manufacturing. Second, it mitigates supply chain risks such as those caused by geopolitical issues or global logistics disruptions. And lastly, streamline production, allowing for faster response times to demand changes and potential innovations in the manufacturing processes. The second feature of the local sourcing is the faster communication and collaboration. Local suppliers offer numerous strategic advantages for businesses. Real time coordination, this is the proximity, enables quick communication and adjustments of schedules or orders in response to changing demands or unforeseen events. Second, faster problem solving. The geographic closeness facilitates in person meetings and rapid joint problem solving, reducing the time spent resolving quality or supply chain issues. And lastly, it offers improved quality control. It is now easier and more cost effective to conduct frequent site visits and quality audits, ensuring suppliers meet the required standards consistently. And the third feature of local sourcing is the compliance with trade and regulatory policies. Local sourcing for Tesla may help the company achieve several strategic objectives. First is to avoid import tariffs. By manufacturing and sourcing components with a specific market, for example, United States or China, Tesla can bypass or significantly reduce the cost of tariffs that would otherwise apply to imported vehicles or parts. And second, the quality for government incentives. Utilizing locally sourced materials and manufacturing processes can help Tesla qualify for substantial government incentives and subsidies, such as those provided by the U.S. federal governments for electric vehicles meeting specific domestic content and battery sourcing requirements. And lastly, they meet the local content requirements. In various global markets, governments may establish rules mandating a certain percentage of a product's components to be locally produced. Adhering to these local content requirements through local sourcing is essential for Tesla to operate in those regions and maintain market access. And now, let's discuss the last key feature of local sourcing, which is customization for local markets. Tesla's strategy of utilizing local suppliers helps the company adapt its vehicles to specific regional requirements. And this approach serves several key functions. First, adapting to local regulations. Local suppliers play a crucial role in providing components that meet specific country or region safety standards, environmental regulations, and other requirements such as unique lighting systems or charging port types. Second, meeting regional consumer preferences. By sourcing locally, Tesla can better integrate features desired by consumers in different markets. This might include specific interior finishes, infotainment system localizations, or other market specific features that cater to regional tastes. And lastly, responding quickly to market specific needs. A local supply chain enables greater agility. Tesla can adjust production volumes or specifications more rapidly and respond to sudden changes in regional demand, supply chain disruptions, or emerging market opportunities. Why local sourcing is important to Tesla? Local sourcing is beneficial to Tesla because it offers the following. First, it reduces trade risks through diversification and having contingencies plans in case of disruptions. Second, it improves speed to market with streamlined logistics and efficient inventory management. And third, it enhances political and regulatory compliance by ensuring all operations meet local and international laws. And lastly, it strengthens brand reputation locally through ethical practices and reliable service delivery. So, what did we learn from those lessons that we already discussed? And now we have to formulate our four key takeaways for this lesson. The first is the low-cost sourcing that is global. Finding suppliers in countries with lower labor or production costs like China and India to reduce expenses. And second takeaways is on multiple sourcing or diversification, using several suppliers for the same component to avoid single point failures, enhancing resilience. And our third takeaway is on nearshoring or the proximity of suppliers within the gigafactories, moving production closer to the end market, especially Mexico, for the United States, reducing lead times, logistics costs, and emissions. And lastly, the local sourcing or the regional sourcing. It is important because sourcing within the same region or country for rapid response, meeting local regulations, and supporting local economies, rather than relying on a single approach. Tesla uses a hybrid sourcing strategy that balances cost, speed, risk, and flexibility. Good day to everyone.